Hello guys and welcome back. So we start the day with some interesting post which is from Ash Crypto, who says if you bought Bitcoin at every bear market bottom, you'd still be sitting at huge gains today. So if you would have bought in January 2015 at $166, okay, that's 11 years ago, so it's a long time. So 386x, which is a lot. And if you would have bought it in 2018, which is still 8 years ago, at 3189, you would sit on 20x, which is it's a large sum, a large gain. So yeah, if you would have bought it in November 2022 at 15,473, you would have had 4x now. So he's asking, are you buying in 2026? Actually, I'm buying alts because I will buy and sell them. I'm not going to hold them until I'm 80 years old because I'm not really interested in having a lot of money for my meds in the future. So I'd rather have it now, spend it on something more fun. But that's just me, and it might be an unpopular opinion among the elites and people with high class, but that's just me, and it's going to be me until the end. So let's go to the next post, which is a very interesting one. It's from CoinBureau latest. Baron Trump is now reportedly worth 150 million, surpassing Melania Trump's net worth. Forbes estimates the 20-year-old Baron Trump is worth around 150 million, driven largely by his stake in the family-owned Liberty Financial crypto venture. So he's worth more than his mother at 20-year-old. So yeah, interesting. What do the comments say? Easy with insider information. It's just a crime to let him take the money of the people on the market. So yeah. He's obviously very talented to make that from scratch with no inside help whatsoever. Yeah, sarcastic comments. So yeah, from shit and scam crypto meme coins. Yeah, of course. Anyway, let's go to the next one, which is rather more interesting than the obvious one. So, alert on Solana. The network was just one step away from total collapse. The anatomy of critical incident, known for its enormous speed, but also for its history of outages. From past years, the Solana network went through a major moment of peril on Wednesday morning. The blockchain was just 14% away from an automatic shutdown, network shutdown, after nearly a third of the staked Sol tokens could no longer participate in consensus. That's rather interesting, but let's check the price of Solana. It seems to be at 76, so around the same area where it was. And if this one goes below $20, I will buy it with everything I have. This is the coin that made me the most money in the past cycle. So I bought it around here and I sold it at 230, 240 around this area. Actually, I sold near the top, and I think I sold in this frenzy. No, in this one. Yeah, I sold in January. And I will simply buy it again. I don't care what people say. I will just buy this one. All the meme coins run on it, and it's just I will just go for it if it goes below $20 again. I think it would drag all the market if it goes down, but I'd rather hope. I hope that we will have a very huge upside now with the coins that I have, but if it does, I will buy it. So Let's go to the next one, which is rather a curious one. BlackRock and Fidelity just sold 61.1 million. This is a massive move that showcases institutional interest. Do they see something we don't? Could this signal a shift in the market sentiment? So market sentiment is down, I would say. Time to stack some more sats. We're just getting started. So will, they sold. Will they buy Ethereum? Will they just go into stocks? Will they just sit in cash? Who knows? So the next one is from Philarect, who says they keep calling Bitcoin dead, which is true. I saw that in the past. They keep calling Bitcoin dead. It crashed at 10 cents in 2010, crashed to $1 in 2011, crashed to $50 in 2013, crashed to $200 in 2015, to $3,000 in 2018, $15,000 in 2022, 39 in 2024. Yeah, it crashed to 39k, and right now in 2026 it crashed to 60k. So I don't think we are going this far to the bottom. I think it's a bit too much here. And here it went below, here it went way more below, here it barely touched the line. I'd rather draw the line like this somehow, if you were to draw the line. But with all the institutional interest, I don't think it will fall as hard, because someone will grab it here. Maybe 55, it's in cards, but maybe we already had the bottom, so I don't know about this. This is a bit too much. And the upside as well. I think the upside has way more potential. It will probably reach at least 200k. I think it will be somewhere between 200 and 250k the next stop, but that's just my thinking, because they used to call it here at 200, 300k, and basically half of 250k it stopped there, and right now they will call it at 500,000 and it will stop at the halfway there. And here as well they were calling for 150k and 120k and stopped halfway. So, and also here always people are expecting more of a leg down, where when we are already in the bottom, they are just waiting for more and more. And also Dr. Profit is DCAing right now and is buying, and there is no way you can be bearish right now. You can say we are going to stay in this range, yeah, that's another thing, but we won't go to 30k. That's something very simple. So the last post is from Crypto Rover. Reminders: US PPA data drops today at 8:30 Eastern time. Previous was 5.5, forecast 4.9. So market sell off hard if it's bigger than 4.9. Markets rally hard if PPI is lower than 4.9, and if PPI it's equal, it's a mixed reaction. So I don't think it's going to be such a huge impact. However, let's look on Forex Factory, which we have unemployment claims every Thursday, and it's forecasted that the unemployment claims will go up from 199, and that's interesting, and this will make them cut the rates if it goes up, but we'll have to see after. And we have another interesting things. like mortgage delinquencies, which are at 4.44%, which is it's surprisingly high, I would say. So people who cannot pay their mortgage, it's 4.44. Now, will it go higher? We will see. So for me, it's going to be, there is no timestamp on this one, but this one is going to be at 2:30 p.m. when I'm going to be at work and won't be able to talk about this. So yeah, we'll just see what happens. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and of course, be skeptical and be careful what you are doing, what you are trading, and who are you trusting on this market. And see you at the next one, guys.